Hi everyone, it's Paddy here from arithmetichub.com, thanking you for choosing this video, but reminding you that whilst this is one method to solve questions like this, it's not the only method. With that being said, let's explore this concept a little bit further.
Now let's have a look at percentage off amounts. Now percentage off amounts is slightly different to percentage of amounts. Percentage of amounts, if you've got of, you've got one F. If you've got off, you've got two Fs. Now that's not the only difference. The way I like to think about it is there's an extra F, so there's an extra step. Because when you are doing these types of questions, what you need to make sure you're doing is you need to make sure that once you've found your percentage, you're taking it off the total, you're taking it away from the total, okay? So, again, finding the percentages you're going to do in the same way. You're either going to do it by knowing your key percentages and using those to find it, or finding 1% and using 1% to be able to find however many percent you need. But for these types of questions, we need to make sure that we're taking it off at the end. So, let's start with this one. Find 40% off 320. Now for these types of questions, I'm going to use my key percentages. I just think it's the more efficient method to be able to answer these kinds of ones. So, find 40% off 320. First thing I'm going to do, how am I going to build this percent? Well, I'm going to find 10% and I'm going to multiply it by 4. So, 10% equals, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 320 by 10. 320, I've got my ones, my tens and my hundreds. I'm going to move it one place, value place. So 10% is going to be 32. If 10% is 32, then all I need to do is 32 times 4 to be able to give me 40%. Okay, 2 times 4 is going to give me 8, 3 times 2 is going to give me 12. So 40% equals 128. But I need to take it off, remember. So my final part of the method says, subtract your answer from the total. So my total was 320. So what I still need to do is 320 subtract the 128. 0 take away 8 I can't do, so I need to exchange. 10 take away 8 is going to give me 2. 1 take away 2 I can't do, so I need to exchange. 11 take away 2 is going to give me 9. 2 take away 1 is going to give me 1. So my answer to 40% off 320 is 192. If I hadn't done the last step, I would have finished with my answer of 128. 128 is 40% of 320. To find 40% off 320, I have to make sure I've done this last step where I take it away at the end. Now let's have a look at this one. Find 35% off 1,320. Again, I'm going to do this by building the percentages. I'm going to use 25% and 10% and add them together. So to find 25%, it says I need to divide by 4. So I would do 1,320 and I would divide it by 4. 4 goes into 1, 0 times, carry the 1. 4 goes into 13, 3 times, carry the 1. 4 goes into 12, 3 times, and 4 goes into 0, 0 times. So 25% equals 330. Then we need to find 10%. I know how to find 10%. I moved the digits, don't I? So 10% I divide it by 10. 1,320, got my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands. I'm dividing by 10, got 1 0 in the question, so I need to move it one place. To division, so I'm moving it to the right and making it smaller. So my 1 and my thousands are going to drop down, move one place to my hundreds, my 3 from my hundreds to my tens, and my 2 from my tens to my ones. So 1,320 divided by 10 is going to give me 132. So 10% equals 132. Now I need to add these two together to get 35%. 330 add 132. 0 add 2 is going to give me 2. 3 add 3 is going to give me 6. 3 add 1 is going to give me 4 for 462. That would be 35% of 1,320 though, wouldn't it? I now need to make sure I've done my last step. Subtract my answer from the total. So now what I need to do, 1,320, I need to take away 462. 0 take away 2 I can't do, so I need to exchange. 10 take away 2 is going to give me 8. 1 take away 6 I can't do, so I need to exchange. 11 take away 6 is going to give me 5. 2 take away 4 I can't do, so I need to exchange again. 12 take away 4 is going to give me 8. So my answer to 35% off 1,320 is 858. Just remember that final step when you've got off. Remember, off is an extra step because they've got an extra F.
If you found this video useful, then I would massively appreciate you liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you want to explore more methods or practice using the method we've looked at here, why not check out the teacher videos at arithmetichub.com. Arithmetic Hub has videos just like this on different methods, specifically targeting areas needed in Key Stage 2. There you can practice one particular skill, or generate your own sets of calculations designed to challenge your understanding of all the topics covered in Years 3 to 6.